up, YouTube? Do you want something that has better open rates than email, gets a lot more responses? If so, stay with me. There's actually a whole lot more than that, but this is the part I'm really excited about. I am so excited to tell you about this new software called Genie. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as, well, waiting for Congress to actually do anything with the stimulus. But sorry, I've been following the news and it's really frustrating because I know people are suffering. But anyway, seriously, it's not a laughing matter. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? You want to talk about crap? Go talk about the crappy Congress that the United States has. Seriously, crappy stuff. Anyway, sorry. You know, Republican and Democrat, I don't care who you vote for. Both sides just need to come together and get this thing figured out for the good of the country, because I know that there are so many people who are really, really facing evictions right now and facing all kinds of problems. But anyhow, I don't want to talk politics on the channel. So if you, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz talks politics on 30 Rock all the time, but she made jokes about it, like I'm kind of trying to make jokes and trying to make light of it. So I suppose it's all good. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe pretty much means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for Genie software. No, Aladdin, this isn't your genie. Just stay away. Seriously. Anyway, so these are some of those numbers that their students have made. Actually, this is not from Billy Darr, which I find interesting. Usually, when I see these numbers, by the way, when I see sales numbers on these things, how many people have visited, how much money's been made, stuff like that. Usually what it is that people are showing their own stuff and they're a vendor and they make a ton of money, and they basically, that a real person can't make this. This is not from Billy Darr. This is actually from a real person that they actually asked to beta test it. I don't know, because Billy Darr would not be making only $135 in a day. But this is something that real people could actually make using the Genie software. Now, there's a bunch of stuff that the software actually does. We're going to take a look in the members area in just a moment. There's one particular feature, though, that I am personally very, very excited about, especially because you get Genie for a one-time price. But I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because, as always, I have amazing custom bonuses. So first and foremost, I have a set of inspirational quotes. Now, Genie allows you to go ahead and schedule stuff to go onto your Facebook, in addition to many other things. And so in order to let you schedule stuff that's cool on Facebook, I'm going to give you a month of inspirational quote graphics. These are really nicely done, professionally done graphics that I commissioned, spent a lot of money for them. You can go ahead and use them as you see fit to go post them into Facebook using the Genie software. I'm also going to give you my Instagram software. Even though Genie doesn't really talk so much about Instagram, my software is basically designed to help you build up your following on Instagram. And I'm also going to give you my mega list building guide, because, well, Genie is all about list building, although it's more about list building using Messenger, which we're going to talk about in just a minute. In addition to those things, if you pick up any upgrade, then first of all, I'm going to go ahead and give you the PSD files of all of these graphics, which means you can change them, make them completely unique, do whatever you want with them. You can't sell them to somebody else, but you can do pretty much anything else you want. Now, in addition to all of that stuff, I'm also got if you pick up any upgrade, you get your choice of Boost Opt-in or Conversion Champ for 1 year, or you can get my SEO Explosion software, or you can get my Insta Bio Link software with the upgrade, which takes away the removable branding, with the removable branding rather. So you're going to get all of those things. In addition to all of that, I also have a really cool set of bonuses, if I can open it up and take a look and tell you about it. These were actually given to me by the vendor. So these are in addition to all the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you. Really nice stuff here. So you're going to get Viral Marketing Explodes, Video Marketing Masterclass, Twitter Marketing for Beginners, The Power of Network Marketing, Streams of Income via the Internet, 6-Minute Marketing, Secrets of Marketing via Social Media, Mobile Marketing Boosters. I sound like an auctioneer, don't I? $10, $10. Do I hear 12? Do I hear 12? Do I hear 12? Yes, 12 of them. 12, 12, 12. Do I hear 14? 14. Anyway, sorry. Marketing for free on the internet, joint venture marketing, information marketing business, how to outsource internet marketing, how to find the hotspots in internet marketing, Facebook marketing services, effective internet marketing, autoresponder marketing, attraction, affiliate marketing, e-course, affiliate marketing, beginners, and 100 membership sites for marketing. So a really, really nice collection of materials. On top of all that stuff, I'm actually also going to give you one more bonus if you pick up any 2 upgrades. Pick up any 2 upgrades. In addition to all that, you get a 30-minute Zoom session with me to plan strategy for your business, help you really grow your business. I've been doing this for a while. I'm a 6-figure marketer. I know what I'm doing, and I can really help you out a lot. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you get a Zoom session. Pick up the entire funnel, you're going to get 3 months of direct access to my cell phone. We can talk one-on-one, and basically I will help you with whatever you need. We'll go over your sales pages. We'll go over your emails. We can go over your squeeze page, whatever it is that you need help with. I'm there to help you out with it. So let's go ahead and take a look now at the members area of Genie. There's actually 2 different members areas. It's just kind of weird. So when you first get there to the members area, you're going to access this. Basically just an intro telling you about his latest webinar, which is not terribly important. There are a bunch of bonuses down here all the way at the bottom. This is where you pick up the upgrade, and then there's a whole bunch of complimentary bonuses down here that are on top of everything, and then there's also bonuses here from affiliates. One of them is mine. You can see this is my own course, Durable, which is, by the way, is really great. If you didn't pick it up yet, go ahead and grab Durable. You can get it for free when you pick up the Genie software. It's a really, really nice course, but there's a whole bunch of stuff over here that you can get for free. Really, really a lot of stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual software over here. Now, what I like particularly, see, Genie is what they call it a 20-in-1 traffic software. What I particularly like is the Messenger bot, though. This, I think, is super, super cool. Basically, what you can do with this, you can actually create an autoresponder series that goes out via Messenger. And with Messenger, you get open rates that are unheard of in email. I mean, I'm currently working on a course called Email Success Secrets, where I was thrilled to be getting like 20%, 30% open rates. You can get 70% open rates with Messenger bots. So really, really nice stuff. And the nice thing is that Genie is all one price. So very cool stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff here, though. There's social posting. Okay, you can also do comment automation inside of Facebook. It's really, really very, very comprehensive. A lot of stuff over here, kind of overwhelming, to be perfectly honest, for the average person. So that's why I'm focusing on the Messenger bot thing, because I think that that is the best feature in Genie by far. Really, really good stuff. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip in my hands as a product creator.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. Lovely software. Great job. Really nice stuff. Yeah, go ahead and grab this. This thing is definitely worth picking up. It's a one-time fee, so you don't have to keep paying for it every month. Like, for example, with Messenger bots, there are other softwares that do Messenger bots, but you got to pay for them every single month. This is one time. So go ahead and grab this. This one is worth it. You're going to love it.